Hey guys, we received this painting for two kids drawing pad for test and try. This is a 20-inch LCD writing tablets for the kids, rechargeable kids drawing tablet or the large Doodle board. So this is actually a 20 inches large Doodle board with the color things. So let me just open and show it to you. So here is the main tablet. So you can use it as a whiteboard also in the back, and this is the writing pad. So this is you can use as a whiteboard, like for the dry eraser, and also this as the tablet for your writing things. So as you can see, this I'm writing really well. So there is no issue with the writing, and they are the colored one. So this and works really nice, and there's a button that erase. So there is a on and off button. So say if you do not want to erase anything, you can lock it. This anything will not erase. When you unlock it, then only it will erase. There is a USB-C charging port as well, and the two stylus for the two painting kits. So one can play on one side. So this is the normal 8.5 inches size that comes, and this one is the 20 inches. So you can see the size difference between the two. But the writing thing is both same for both. But this have a larger space or the big space for writing compared to the smaller 8.5 inches one. Technically, this is all same, but this one runs on the battery and this comes with the rechargeable battery. Um, so you can say you can recharge, you can draw, or you can play with it. You can also lock it and do any other thing. And yep, so overall is a nice writing tablet with a good size of 20 inches, no issues with its writing, and then you can recharge it and get protection. So the charging cables comes with it as USB-C, so you can do that. And also you can work ahead and do a lot of stuff with it. Drawing is one, but the mathematics, study, writing notes, making a menu or whatever you want with this bigger screen is really a good thing. So hope you like this as well, and with this large screen and is useful.